Namaskaram, Nyan Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikuttilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you learn Malayalam, you've come to the right channel. Today we're going to be focusing on pronouncing the different L sounds in Malayalam. So let's go ahead and get started. Now first we're going to start with the La. La. This is very similar to the English La. It's a very common L sound and it is pronounced La. Your tongue is there behind your teeth. La, la. Let's pronounce this together. La, la, li, li, lu, lu, lr, lo, lo, le, le, lai, lao, lum, la. Great. And you'll see this in words like innale, illa, laksham, and ravile. Now sometimes you'll see this as a chillu, and a chillu is a letter that usually comes at the end of a word and it doesn't have a vowel next to it. It's different from using a chandrakala. A chandrakala clips it and makes it go but here we just have the sound with no vowel or no schwa. So it's For example, muyil, muyil, mayil, mayil, natil, natil. It is a hard stop, with no vowel sound after it. So now that we've covered la, let's look at the other L sound that a lot of English speakers tend to struggle with. This is the retroflex ra, la. So just like before, we know that retroflex is made in the back of the mouth. And what we want to do is we want to touch and then bring our tongue forward. So, lo, 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 lo. So remember the first one is la, la, and the second one is la, la. Let's pronounce together. Ra, ra, li, li, lu, lu, lr, le, le, lo, lo, lai, rao, lum, la, la. Okay, remember that tongue has to go in the back. It takes practice. Don't worry if you don't get it right at first. Just practice. La, 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 la. Just keep making sure you're touching your tongue in the back and bringing it forward. Sometimes you might feel your tongue even click as it comes forward. Ra. Now, this sound can be found in words like kulam, nale, and puli. These are some examples. Now, this also has a chillu. So again, instead of having a vowel sound, you'll just stop with the r, r, r. So, ipol, epol, avar, namar. So your tongue will sit there instead of coming forward. It'll stop. Be sure to practice. Fun note, the word Malayalam has both L's in it. Malayalam, Malayalam. Fun fact. So now, of course, I want you to listen. And you hear la, ra, or All right, listen carefully. Number 1, pali, pali. Number 2, pal, pal. Number 3, val, val. Number 4, gnarly, gnarly. And number 5, inale, inale. All right, check your answers. How did you do? I will now read both of them to you so you can hear the difference. Number 1, parli, pali, parli, pali. Number 2, pal, par, pal, par. Number 3, val, var, val, var. Number 4, nale, narle, nale, narle. And number 5, inale, inarle, inale, inarle. Do you hear the difference? It's okay if you're not sure. Go back and try again and listen again and keep practicing. And as always, you can join us for free on my Discord on Mondays. We have our returning batch at 7 p.m. and our new batch at 8 p.m. Feel free to join in. It's free. The software is free to use, and you can hang out with all the other 2,000 plus members on the Discord server, not just learners, but Malayalis as well who want to help you with your journey. Be sure to check the link below for access for the slides, and I'll see you next time. Apoelam parnedopole.